Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just a little sad because my bird friend was gone now. I miss my bird friend. He's now gone. And because my 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 other pet always hurt his parents, so Perry has to leave. So now I don't have a pet bird anymore. He already left. So yeah. I'm a little sad. Okay, I'm a little sad. But uh, but by the way, we're playing. I'm playing. I'm playing Sandbox again, aka Block Bed Wars. It's a bit loady. See, it's a bit loading. I don't know why the internet is a bit low, but yeah. I have a question to you. Do you guys have like a pet bird that you always play with it that has to left now? Because how is my story first end? When I was 3, I always have a pet bird. We always talk about each other, always friend each other, and we always be lovely. The mother of Roxy gave birth to Roxy. You see, Renzi born Roxy and Roxy born Bunny. Bunny was my first baby cat. And how is the story end? Roxy and Perry were always best friends. And I always be happy with it. But now they are always been fighting. The cats keep scares the cats keeps hurting the bird and scaring them. So Perry has to left now. He told me that my place is a bit dangerous for my family. So they had to move on and find a new place to put a nest. And I was very sad. That's the end of this video. I'll see you later. Bye. And as a holy day, always be happy and put a smile face on. I'll see you later.